So Upper Hutt Council.
Can we do it bloopers?
Yeah,
we
this is going to be ridiculous. Okay. Take two. My name is Kelly G. I work at the Upper Hutt City Council under the Building Control Services team, and my job is looking after compliance. But I'm here today to show you how to install these lovely 750 litre tanks and 250 litre. Now you would have seen us talk about this. When I say us, Upper Hutt City Council talking about these tanks. No, that's not it right, eh? Oh, water resilience campaign. So Upper Hutt City Council have a water resilience program campaign. So Upper Hutt City Council is doing a water resistance campaign at the moment.
Did you say resistance?
Resistance?
Resilience?
Oh! I'm going to pull my socks up because this is going to help somehow. Okay,
Resilience.
take 95. Upper Hutt City Council is doing water resilience campaign.